your AI ally. A beginner's guide to mastering AI tools and transforming your productivity. Harness the power of AI to revolutionize your productivity. Are you ready to transform your productivity, but unsure where to start? Embark on a journey where the future meets function in your AI ally. This comprehensive guide is your gateway to understanding and mastering AI tools, specifically tailored for beginners eager to harness the advancing world of artificial intelligence. Thank you. Discover how AI personal assistants can not only simplify your life, but enhance it in ways you never imagined. With guidance on essential tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Google Assistant, you'll learn how to make AI work for you, turning complex tasks into seamless endeavors. This book offers tried and tested strategies to entwine AI seamlessly into your daily routine, providing immediate productivity boosts and time-saving solutions. Whether managing household operations or professional projects, AI becomes an indispensable part of your decision-making and workflow management, ultimately helping you achieve more with less effort. Practical ethical considerations are also unraveled, ensuring a responsible approach to AI usage. Navigate this revolutionary domain with confidence and overcome potential challenges with ease, learning to troubleshoot issues and acclimate to the AI learning curve. Step into a future armed with AI solutions tailored to every lifestyle, from creative applications for writers and artists to organized workflows for freelancers and homemakers. Thank you. With the tools needed to stay ahead. Empower yourself and embrace the journey toward AI mastery. Let this guide inspire and motivate you to take actionable steps today towards a future brimming with productivity and success. Click the links in the description to access the full versions of the book.